We're making this for Chelsea. All right, so this is the intro pit bull. All right, so she lunged. All right, good.
Dixie, come here.
Well, I will tell you, this dog isn't equipment neutral.
Come here. Yay. Dix. Dixie, come on.
I'll tell you what she gave you, girl, the side glance.
Yeah.
No, not the side glance.
She's like,
And
yeah,
then
no.
she's thinking, what's the side glance?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Come here. Come on.
Yeah, she's got a huge head.
Yay.
Let me tell you what, she's doing anything to avoid coming to you.
Uh-huh. She is. Yay. She doesn't want me to put this on.
Yeah, so that's the not equipment neutral
Hey.
dog. But does she like, what about traits?
Oh, yeah. Show you.
Remember, we're not above buying their love.
Exactly. Hey,
She's
you want
got
turkey?
children.
Yeah, she
Dixie, you
knows.
want turkey?
Turkey.
Hank, do you want turkey?
You don't want turkey,
Like,
right?
No turkey.
He's got too many
This is like
places
this
to pee.
in this scene, your character's dogs don't listen to us.
Right. Yeah, it's working out. I'm doing a nice job.
She's
of
doing
that.
a great
Here,
job.
Dixie, look, I got turkey. Oh, Hank's gonna get
All right,
turkey.
ignore her and start entertaining him.
Oh,
Yes, there you go.
yay! Now, you want turkey? Hey, you want more turkey? Hey, look at me. Look at the camera. Sit. Good boy.
I give it to him right away, though, girl. Don't be the antidote to fun.
Shh, sit.
All right, see if you can kind of just get a hold of her collar. There you go. All right, gently, though, girl, gently. All right, and you guys, normally we wouldn't do this with the flexi, but I think we're going to be able to do it with this. All right, no, put it above the other one. Girl, put it above the other one. Keep a hold of that for a second. She gets loose. She gets loose. So I'm just going to show you guys, you can do this with the flexi, I think. But we'll try it. We're going to expand. All right, forget about that. Get the leash on first. She might not be neutral to the leash, but she seems more. And listen, I want you to be very indifferent. The body language is very quiet. I want you just to take off walking.
Okay.
All right, wait. Hook the leash to the other collar. Perfect. All right, hold just the handle and go. All right, come back this way. Go. Good. All right, move your arm a little bit. Good, yes. All right, good. Good. All right, turn and go the other way. Turn and go the other way. For skating. She's playing the American mom. All right, turn. All right, turn. See, she remembers because she had a dog trained here before. She's one of our retro clients. All right, turn.
Whoopsie.
Turn. So we'll tell you when I'm starting the pager. Keep going. All right, turn. I'm starting it slightly before I say turn. All right, keep going. You're doing great. All right, turn. So if you said that pager did not whip its head around, I'd say, oh yeah, it did. All right, turn. I kept holding it down. I'm going to tell you what the solution to them looking at it. Turn. I kept holding it down. Don't try to pet her. All right, guys, so that was the intro. Did you feel a difference?
Yeah, it's perfect. On the,
Well, I was turning her with the pager for you.
Yeah.
But she thought you were doing it.
Right.
So she was paying more attention to you by the end. Did you see that?
Uh-huh.
I take the leash off all the time now. I just turn and take off lock and go. I'll go back the other way, turn. Move your hand, move your hand. Good, 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 good. Turn. Good, go more deliberate. Move your hand, good. Turn. Turn. Get the treat, get the treat, get the treat. Get the treat. Wait, guys, that was almost too textbook. It's almost like they've been acting. Well, let me tell you, she's been rehearsing this thing. They've been coming over. She's been coming over evenings. And the scene went perfectly. Don't know. Ah! Just when I had her do. Well, but we don't want the physical post. What I want you to do is just turn and walk. Just right now, just fade away. So I brought her. All right, turn, fade away. All she thinks now.
yay!
She's gorgeous.
Isn't she pretty? Yeah, I think
That's
she's.
what she is, though, girl. And this is what I want you guys to understand. What this is a testosterone-laden female. No, it is, girl. No, it is. She's got the large head. And look, you know.
Her dad's name is Big Dick Nino.
Yeah, well, in this scene, my character's chair falls, and so does she. She didn't see that one coming. We're guessing he's well endowed.
Yeah, I was mortified by that. but
Terrifying.
They used to joke about, this
But
our
you
friend's
get
uncle's
that.
dog, and they were like, "Oh, that's his name." I'm like, "That's gross. That's disgusting." And then when they bring me this puppy, and they're like, "Oh, yes." the dad
Well,
is."
but that's what you end up with. And then they take testosterone-laden females and then breed them to very testosterone-heavily laden males, and you start to get.
Even the vet was like, "Look how muscly she's gotten
Well,
lately,"
no.
and I'm like, "Yeah."
That's what you need to tell the vet next time you go in there. She's a testosterone-laden female. Wait till he looks like that. Where's she coming up with this stuff? All right, guys, so this is our new trainee. Stephanie is another one. This year I've had so many retro clients coming back from the past, and this is another one. Now she has a pimple, so we're going to make this dog our star, and we'll have more updates soon. Bye, guys.